What is happening to the world? Scientists have called the mass disease of the future. Here are the data we received thanks to the World Health Organization. Scientists conducted a study that showed that, judging by the latest indicators, almost a quarter of the world's population will become obese. According to experts, such a problem will arise closer to 2045. In addition, 1 in 8 people will develop type 2 diabetes. This is presented at the European Obesity Congress in Vienna. The study was conducted as follows. The population of each country was divided into groups, categories and body mass index. Scientists predicted how the proportion of people in each category would change over time, and also calculated the risk of diabetes, which was calibrated according to data on lifestyle, nutrition and genetic predisposition to the disease. In more understandable terms, experts say this: the proportion of obese people will increase to 14% by the end of 2019, and in 2045 it will increase to 22%. Also, over the same period, the incidence of diabetes will rise to 11.7%, putting more strain on health systems around the world.